In this video I'm going to have a look at the Hague SM1 and also a phone holder, a Joby GripTight Mount Pro. Now I never planned to do sort of unboxing videos, that was never actually my my initial plan with this, but in order to actually make videos in my Tesla when it arrives, I needed to buy some kit. So this is the kit I had a look at online. It rates very well. It holds like concrete, which you very much want when you're trying to put any camera in a car where it's bumpy and you're not there to catch it when it falls. So this is why I kind of went for the SM1. Now, what do you get with the SM1? You get a very large suction pad, and this is huge. Now, the way this works is you'd put it onto a flat surface, you would pump the side, and this would then slowly suction on to the surface it's on. Now, you're meant to keep on doing that until this red line disappears. Now, this one that I've got out of the box brand new today is actually not working properly because this red line never disappears. Now, I've got all this kit from cameragrip.com. I've already logged it with them. I said it's turned up, it's not working properly. I've sent them a video, so I'm just waiting to hear back from what they say. It does hold on, it does grip really well. I mean, I could probably hang off for this, even though it's rated just over 1 kilogram of weight. It is very, very strong. But yeah, hopefully we can get this resolved quite quickly. Now, in the box, the things you get are the suction, a unit to go on top of that, which can go in multiple ways, so in the top or from the side. These are both on ball joints, so you can actually twist this whichever way you want to twist it. You get an extension for it, and you get the main mount. This is a standard camera mount. Will take pretty much any camcorder, any camera out there. The beauty of this is because it comes with all the different bits and all the ball joints, shouldn't have any issues putting it into any angle that I need. With the Tesla Model X, it's got a big windscreen, so I'm probably going to mount this high up and then have it coming sort of down beside me and looking out the front of the car. Now, I'm also going to be doing live streaming in the car, so one of the things I also wanted to do was be able to mount my phone for the live streaming. So one of the things I went and actually looked at was the Joby. So this is fantastic. I'll get a little bit closer so you can see it. This is metal. The back clip here is plasticky, but that doesn't matter. That's just where it gets screwed on. The actual front and the rubberized is all around metal, which is a really nice thing to see. This isn't cheap. This is about £20 from Amazon. But actually, so far, I would say it's worth the money, because when I actually put this in place and slide it all up, give it a good old grip, do it up, that is not going to budge. Once that's screwed in to hopefully this mount, this isn't going to budge. This is really, really solid. It's fantastic. It's also got the nice ability that on the back you can also then twist the mount as well, so you don't have to spend lots of time trying to get it perfectly level. Once it's actually in place, you can then twist it around to make sure it's in the right location. I haven't been able to put this actually in the car yet to test it, because until we resolve this issue with this red line. The reason for the red line, by the way, is when you're driving, if you then see this red line appear, because it should be sort of down like this, if you see this red line appear, that means you are slowly losing a little bit of air, and then you're just meant to pump it up a little bit more just to get that suction as strong as possible again. So that's why it's kind of important to me. I know it's working, it does work, it is already on here quite solid, but with that, I just need to know when I need to pump it up again to make sure it's working. As I said, I've never planned to do unboxing videos, but I just thought this is two very interesting bits of kit. They're going to work together really, really well. They're going to fit my camera and hopefully my phone as well. So yeah, once it's up and running, once I get this resolved, I'll take another video just to show you it in the car. All right, thank you.